Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. I wanted to make a video to show you how you can sell course packages using Lifter LMS memberships. So that's where you're going to sell maybe a package of courses, like WP Crafter is an example of this. On his website, he's got like each course is $99, or if you buy the membership for, I think it's about $400, you get all of the courses. So I'm going to show you how you can create a similar setup using Lifter LMS. And I believe he does actually use Lifter LMS for this very thing. So I'm going to go to memberships, or getting a little ahead of myself here. On the WordPress admin, you're going to want to head to memberships on the back end. And I do already have a few courses created that I'm going to include in my membership. I'm going to go ahead and click add membership at the top and give it a title. I'll call it like course bundle, but of course you can call it whatever you want and style it however you want to. And much like a course, memberships have access plans. So that's how you determine the terms of enrollment. Maybe it's like one payment of $400 for our example, but you can set up your access plans however you want to. But the main feature we're going to look at is auto-enrollment. That's where you have select courses that you're automatically enrolled into when you get this membership. You can click the drop down here and select your courses, and they'll automatically be added to that list. So I have the quiz system course, I've got the how to build a website. Let me throw the assignments course in there as well. All right, awesome. So now whenever you purchase my membership here, you will automatically get enrolled into all of these three courses automatically. And if you add a course later down the line, maybe I build another course and add it to the membership, I can click this Enroll All Members button. That is going to allow me to enroll all existing members and give everyone who signed up before I made this course, they can also have access if I use this Enroll All Members feature. Otherwise, everyone new will automatically get access if the course is on the list here. So yeah, that's how you can create kind of a membership package using the Lifter LMS membership auto-enrollment settings. This has been Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.